Hello everyone. Welcome to Java with Anmol. So, so first one is we have JDK. It is the full package needed for Java development. So it is included the JRE and also tool needed to write and compile Java code. So JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So this is allowed to your compile Java program to actual run code. And this is the JVM. So in JVM, we have heap memory where all objects are stored. Second is stack memory. Stack memory means like for method call and local variables. Memory area. So memory area like it is no. So guys, let's discuss one by one. So first one is JDK, Java Development Kit. So what is the purpose? What is the means? And what is the environment? So let's discuss. So the Java JDK software development kit provided by Oracle Corporation Contents tool and libraries and documentations required for Java development. So it's include the following components. So I added three components like first one is Java compiler, Java runtime environment, and development tools. So Java compilers. What is Java compiler? Java compilers means the JDK include the Java compiler, which translates Java source code for Java files. Like we have a test file. So Java compilers should be find the test.java into bytecode.class files like test.class. So that this JVM can execute. Okay. So second is Java runtime environment, JRE. The JDK include a JRE which following developers to run Java application during developments. Means it include the JVM and the core library required for running Java programs. So JRE means like develop the run Java applications in the environment. So next is so development tools. Development tools like the JDK provide various development tools like the debugger, filer, Java doc, generator, and more. So which assign in written testing and debugging to Java code writing developments also. So this is the Java development tool. Next is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So the Java Runtime environment is a subset of the JDK. It is the part of the JDK requirement to the run as Java applications. It includes the JVM and the necessary runtime library for execution, Java programs, the JRE. Okay, so we have two components. I added two components. First one is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So we'll discuss next topic. But JVM, what is JVM? JVM, Java Virtual Machine. It is the running that enterprises and execute the Java bytecode. After we have discussed like after Java compiler, our Java files .java files into the convert into the byte class. So this means JVM executes the Java bytecode. It provided an abstraction layer between the Java code and the underlying operation system. So it's mean we can call like it is the layer between the Java code and the line operations codes. So enable into the independent. Okay. Next components mean is like Java class library. The JRE contains the core Java classes library, which provided free complete classes and method. for common programming tasks. The JVM is integral part of the Java platform, and it is represent like for execution Java bytecode. It provided a runtime environment in which Java application can run. So JVM perform following key functions. First one is bytecode execution. The Java enterprises the Java bytecode line by line execute the our code and enterprise is coded also. Second is memory management. The JVM manage memory allocations and the allocations include garbage collection to free up memory. So this is the JVM part. It is platform independent. The JVM provide platform independent by enterprises the bytecode and our underloaded operation system and our broadcast files. So it is platform independent because because we have already discussed it is the part of the JVM heap memory, stack memory, memory area, and PC register. So this is the main features for JVM. Now you know exactly how JDK, JRE, and JVM work in Java. So they are the building block the every Java developer must understand. So in next video we will discuss into Java class and method, like how to create them, how to work, and why they are the heart of Java programming. Okay, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.